all up on me. She see I'm getting money, now she want me, cause she see I'm getting money. First she want me, but a nigga got that money, now she all up on me. Chewing my rollies, I got lots of money, I got lots of money, I got lots of money, yeah, I got lots of money. Now shorty all up on me, tell her I get back cause she didn't want me. She say I'm getting guap, now she on me. Shorty gonna do me, then the brody starts going wild. Shorty going wild, she dropping draws, tell her gon' buzz down. Call my bro up now, we are smoking like loud, and my niggas with chips, cause you know it's only right. And we got 30s on us, we are how to take a life, cause my niggas with shit, cause it's only right. Call Kwani up, he'll end your life. Call my niggas up, they'll shoot you twice. Now shorty all up on me, cause she see I'm getting money, but at first she didn't want me, but now I got that money. That money, now I got that money. I say now I got that money. Oh no, now I got that money. I say now I got that money.
Montana got that money, Montana got that money. You was real phony, now you all on me. She see me cashing out, hit the malls, I'm ballin' out. Yo thought we just pass a front, hit her once then we kick her out. Man, my big bro smoking loud, they be higher than the clout. I be screaming free Drake, man I hope they let him out. Lil Marcus, that's my nigga, fuck the law, just let him out. And when he get out, watch us, we gon' ball out.
Now shorty all up on me, cause she see I'm getting money, but at first she didn't want me, but now I got that money. That money, now I got that money. I say now I got that money. Now I got that money.